My name's Erin and I'm going to teach you how to do the shuffle switch. Tricks you should know. Columns is the foundation of this trick, so if you can't juggle columns, pause this video, check the link below, and watch Taylor's tutorial first. If you already know box and or shower, that can help because of the horizontal pass, but it's not necessary. I'm using the Juggle branded Juggling Balls, which you can find in the link down below if you're looking to add rose gold to your collection or if you want to support me. I do recommend you use beanbag type style balls just because when you're learning a new trick you do end up dropping a lot, and I found especially with tennis balls they kind of go everywhere. That being said, you can use anything from balled up socks to fruit, just whatever works best for you. For the tutorial I'll be using 3 different colored Juggling balls so it's easier to track. Notice how the pink ball, the middle ball, is thrown higher. This will help give you more time for the double pass between your 2 hands. The pink ball stays in the middle for the entire trick, alternating catches with each hand, while the green and white balls switch sides. Start with 1 ball. You're going to want your legs hip-width apart, you're going to want your hands about waist level height, and you're going to take the 1 ball and you're going to throw it horizontally, back and forth between your 2 hands. Once you get comfortable with this motion, you can then speed it up a bit. Notice how I'm looking straight ahead and not looking down, which will be very important later. Once you get confident with that first ball, you can grab your second ball. So if you remember the pattern, the 2 balls are crossing. Now, it's important that one hand is slightly higher than the other so that when they're crossing, they're not colliding. For me, I choose my dominant hand, which is my right hand, and I'm going to throw the right ball slightly above the left ball and throw and catch them at the same time, which is important. And notice how they're being thrown at the same time and caught at the same time. It's important as you're practicing and getting more comfortable with the throws, with the double pass, that you're looking straight ahead and not looking down. This will come with time and with repetition. And if you notice, and I'm going to get a little bit closer to the camera for this so you can hear, because I know there's traffic in the background, there's a certain rhythm that you can hear that might help with your timing. It might also help with making sure that the throws are synced and the catches are also synced. When you've got that consistent, you're able to pass the balls across, you're not looking down, I think you're ready for the next step. Now, after you throw the double pass, you're going to freeze, you're going to turn your palms face up, and you're going to make a vertical toss straight up from both hands at the same time. Okay, once you have that down, you have consistent tosses, timing's the same, and you're feeling confident, it's time to grab that third ball. We're going to get right back into columns. So as soon as you throw that middle ball, that pink ball, you're going to zip the 2 outside ones across and then throw them up. Okay, so now we're going to target the right hand again. Once you catch that ball, the middle ball, the pink one, with your right hand, you're then going to do the double pass with the vertical throw on the side. What we've been practicing in steps 1, 2, and 3. Ready? And for now, you can just let that pink ball, the middle ball, fall as you practice this motion. So we're going to do it again, but this time it's going to be right after you catch the middle ball with your left hand. So this time you're going to catch that pink ball and you're going to continue the columns pattern, okay? And you're right back into columns. And now you can try it with your left hand, and the left hand catches the middle ball. So you get that down, then you can start alternating the sides. Maybe every 4 columns catches, you do a zip. The final step. You're so close. Now when you've got it more consistent, the last thing you have to do is just make the zip every other catch. So instead of having like a columns recharge in between each one, you're just gonna keep doing the shuffle switch, hence the trick name, after every single middle column throw. And there you have it. After you learn shuffle switch, there's a level up trick called shuffle switch factory that you can also learn. Stay tuned.